you'd like an all-in-one process to take care of all of your metadata for an existing video or an upcoming video, click the TubeBuddy tool and then go to SEO Studio here. Once you do, you'll type in your target keyword in the target keyword box. So today I'm going to select a trending keyword, type in whatever you'd like yours to be, then click Start. Once you do, you'll see a number of prompts on the screen on how you can improve your score. As you can see, I don't have my target keyword naturally in my title. I need to fill that box in to bump up my score. So I'll create a realistic title for this video. You type in yours. Then, in the description below, you want to include your keyword in the first 200 characters of the description. Write a natural-sounding sentence here that's about 2 lines long that describes the value of your video to a viewer at a glance. Once you have the high TubeBuddy SEO score and you've completed all of your improvement suggestions here on the side, click Next. Here, in Step 2, you'll be selecting tags for your video. Please understand that tags are not that relevant in terms of getting good search results on YouTube and Google. It's a very, very secondary thing. So I recommend clicking Sort by Relevance and then click Add to Tag Limit. Once you do, make sure that you have all of your score improvement options selected here. Notice how I don't have my exact keyword as my first tag, so we'll type that in. Then, to move a tag around, click the dots on the side, and then you can change the order of the tags. As you can see, it suggests having your exact tag as your first tag because that's the tag that is the highest weight out of all of them. Once you've completed tags and you have that 100% SEO score, click Next to go to thumbnails. It will show your video title and your description versus all the competing videos for your particular keyword out on YouTube. This is incredibly useful for you to maybe optimize your title a little bit better, and of course to select a thumbnail that's going to stand out versus the competition. I just have a generic thumbnail I'm going to select here, and then you'll see the way your thumbnail looks versus competitors. Remember, standing out is important, and showing more value to the viewers if they click your video is important. Ensure that it's relevant to the title, as relevant as possible. No clickbait. Clickbait does not work anymore. Once you've completed this step and you have a 100% SEO score, click Next. Now, in this example, I've created SEO for a video that has yet to be uploaded. However, if you were doing this process on a video that you've already uploaded, you could then click to implement this SEO into an existing video. However, I'm just saving this metadata for later in my case, so I'll click Save Draft. Here, within the SEO Studio, you'll see all of your drafts listed here. And then if you've applied any of your drafts to videos, you can click the Applied tab over here, and it will show you all the examples of applied SEO Studio results that you've put together into your existing videos. Look, these videos only cover some of the information that you may want to know about growing on YouTube and using TubeBuddy, so go to notcorrupt.media and download the full in-depth ultimate guide, totally free, notcorrupt.media.